You are welcome to Digitizing.com, the channel dedicated to turning your creative visions into perfectly digitized realities. Digitizing.com offers the best online custom embroidery, digitizing, and vector art services. We provide high-quality work at the lowest prices with quick turnaround. We can convert any logo, design, image, or artwork into your required file format. Pay easily with PayPal or a credit or debit card. If you need our services at a discounted price, please feel free to contact support at Digitizing.com. Visit the website Digitizing.com. Now let's see and learn about the importance of preventing thread loops or knots in embroidery. Embroidery is a delicate art that requires precision and patience. One common challenge faced by both beginners and experienced embroiderers is dealing with thread loops and knots. These issues can disrupt your workflow, cause unnecessary frustration, and compromise the quality of your finished piece. Understanding how to prevent thread loops and knots is essential for maintaining the integrity of your designs and ensuring a smooth embroidery experience. Choose the right thread and needle. The type and quality of the thread play a significant role in avoiding loops and knots. Always use high-quality embroidery threads, as inferior threads are more prone to fraying and tangling. Match your thread type with the appropriate needle size. A needle that is too small can create tension, while a needle that is too large can leave unnecessary gaps, increasing the chances of thread tangling. Proper thread length. Using an excessively long thread is a common mistake that leads to knots and loops. Stick to a manageable thread length, typically 18 to 24 inches. This length provides enough thread for stitching without increasing the risk of tangling. If you need more thread, simply rethread your needle rather than working with a long piece. Thread conditioning. Conditioning your thread can make a significant difference in preventing loops and knots. Use a thread conditioner or beeswax to coat the thread lightly. This reduces static, smooths the thread, and prevents it from catching or tangling while stitching. Maintain proper tension. Maintaining consistent thread. Tension is key to avoiding loops. Pull the thread gently and evenly with each stitch. Jerky or uneven movements can create slack, leading to loops or tangles. Practice smooth, steady motions to ensure the thread glides effortlessly through the fabric. Regularly check your thread. As you embroider, the thread can twist and coil. Pause periodically to let the needle dangle freely, allowing the thread to untwist naturally. This simple step prevents built-up tension and reduces the likelihood of loops and knots. Use proper stitching techniques. Certain stitching techniques are more prone to causing thread loop. For example, avoid pulling the thread too tightly or stitching too loosely. Ensure that each stitch is secure but not over-tensioned. Practicing correct stitching methods will help create a balanced and even design without thread-related issues. Keep your workspace organized. An organized workspace reduces the chance of accidental tangling. Arrange your threads neatly and keep them separate while working. Avoid placing tools or other items near your embroidery hoop that could snag the thread. Address knots immediately. Despite best efforts, knots can occasionally occur. If you notice a knot forming, stop immediately and address it before continuing. Gently untangle the knot using a needle or your fingers, being careful not to damage the thread. Ignoring a small knot can result in a larger problem later. Practice makes perfect. Preventing thread loops and knots takes practice and attention to detail. As you gain experience, you'll develop the muscle memory and techniques necessary to minimize these issues. Dedicate time to learning and refining your embroidery skills to ensure each project runs smoothly. By following these tips, you can greatly reduce the occurrence of thread loops and knots, allowing you to focus on creating beautiful, flawless embroidery. With the right preparation, tools, and techniques, your embroidery projects will showcase your artistry without the distractions of thread-related mishaps. If embroidery digitizing is on your mind, trust Digitizing.com to deliver accuracy, creativity, and professional results. Digitizing.com offers the best online custom embroidery, digitizing, and vector art services. We provide high-quality work at the lowest prices with quick turnaround. We can convert any logo, design, image, or artwork into your required file format. Pay easily with PayPal or a credit and debit card. If you need our services at a discounted price, please feel free to contact support at Digitizing.com. Visit the website Digitizing.com. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video.